right. If you are watching this, you are about to learn the awesomeness of combining little e and his very special power of 10 with the shortcut box and dot. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my face here so you can focus on the math. Here you are looking at a problem, and I know that this is a problem where we are dealing with little e and his power of 10, because here we have, and you can see it clear as day, little e, our exponent, is sitting on a base of a 10. And we know that there is a shortcut to determine the meaning of that, and it's very, very easy. When little e is sitting on a power of 10, we know we take the 1 and the exponent tells you how many zeros are going to be added to that. So that says 3, so we're going to add 3 zeros. We know that 10 to the third power very quickly, quick shortcut, equals 1,000. Now, we didn't have to change the 50 at all, so we're just going to rewrite that. And you can see that now we have a very simple and clear box and dot problem. Box the fact and multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. Add the zeros. I count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a final answer of 50,000 very quickly, because all we're doing is combining two shortcuts. Two shortcuts, still pretty quick. So you'll notice the first step is to rewrite the problem, because little e does not like to be boxed. So we're going to rewrite and put our power of 10 in standard form. Then we can box and dot. Let's take a look at this. I can see here we have little e and his power of 10. So I'm going to rewrite this problem to mean the same thing, but not include little e. 10 to the second power, this is a shortcut, a power of 10. It's a 1 with 2 zeros. So 10 to the second power very quickly, I know, is 100. And then I can simply put the 9 times symbol down, and this becomes a very quick and easy box and dot. And really, I should know 9 times 100 is 900, but I'll show you box and dot here. Box the fact and multiply. 9 times 1 is 9. Add the zeros. We have 2 of them, and we know that 9 times 10 to the second power is 900. Here I'm going to start by rewriting 10 to the fourth power to mean the same thing, but not include little e. This would be a 1 with 4 zeros. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after that. I know 10 to the fourth power is 10,000, and I'm simply going to copy the rest of the problem down. 3 times 10 to the fourth power also means 3 times 10,000. And so this becomes a very simple, quick box and dot problem. 3 times 1 is 3. And making sure I count my zeros correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I get a final answer of 30,000. One more example here. 10 to the first power. That shortcut is just a 1 with 1 0. So 10 to the first power really just means 10. And then I'm going to copy the rest of the problem there. So 40 times 10 to the first power really means 40 times 10. Box the fact, multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. Add on the zeros. And we know that 40 times 10 to the first power is simply 400. You are going to try some of these. Please remember that little e does not like to be boxed. What that means is your very first step you need to do is to rewrite the problem and have it mean the same thing, but not include little e. Here, 10 to the fourth power means 10,000. So we're just going to rewrite the original problem, but rewrite it in a different way that does not include little e. And you're going to go ahead and solve these. There will be an answer key right along where you found this worksheet. And if you can understand this, if you are getting the correct answers with the answer key, then try the second page. This is doing some algebra and solving some mysteries, and it's also doing some word problems. So give those a try. Again, you can check your own answers with the answer key. And you can go ahead and turn that in when you are finished.